Yo, it's Certified Chinky. Yo, it's Certified Chinky here.
Yo, it's Certified Chinky here.
Yo, it's Certified Chinky here. Hey yo, it's Certified Chinky here. Yo, yo, hey yo, yo, yo. Hi, hi, hi,
Hi.
hi. Yo, Certified Chinky here. Certified Chinky here. Certified Chinky. Certified Chinky. Certified Chinky. Certified Chinky. Hey yo, it's Certified Chinky
Oh
here.
my days, camper. No. No.
Come here, Mike. So I started YouTube because when I went to this party, I talked to this girl and she said, hey, you should do videos. Before that, I didn't really think about being a YouTuber because I was 12 or 13 at the time and me become a YouTuber. So I don't know how long after, but then I uploaded my first video which would be the Harlem Shake. And then I also filmed some videos with my friends. You can't even see them now. I didn't really want to film by myself because I was scared because all the concentration would be going on to me, whereas if I did it with a group, the focus would spread out, because that scared me that everyone would be looking at me. But then I filmed my daily life of a gangster and the original True Love video, and both videos aren't public, so you can't really watch them. Unless you click here. What? I didn't say anything. What? Yeah, I got positive feedback on those videos, which kind of made me not scared anymore. I got my confidence, whatever. But after that, my laptop had a virus, so I didn't have anything to edit on. So I had to wait like more than half a year for Christmas so I could get an iPad mini. And with that iPad mini, I filmed and edited my How to Have Swag video, my most viewed video, which has roughly around 35,000 views, and that was late 2013. So you don't need a fancy equipment to get views. We went from 0 to 8,000 real quick, real freaking quick, homie. Thank you so much. See you later, alligator, perpetrator, talented creator. Hey yo, Certified Chinky here. I don't even say any of those things anymore. But bye. basically, yeah, Shanika was like cussing out these other white girls, and basically, yeah, she was about crying, you know.
Is it?
Oh my! Oh, we're gonna take pictures and touch each other or something. Bye.
Oh, it's a letter from our friends.
What's up, b****?
Happy birthday, Ate. Bye.
Shout out to that girl who I liked when I was 8 years old, but he left me to move to America. Shout out to that Spanish girl who rejected me in the hotel. I didn't understand what you're saying.
Lego.
Speaking of audio, Audible.com offers a wide variety of I'm just kidding, tickling your cap. You know that I'm basically a combination of Drake and Shakespeare. I'm like Drakespeare. Started from Verona, now we're here.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Do I look like the type of person to like High School Music?
It's hard to believe that I couldn't see.
Do you watch Sesame Street? Cause you can tickle me, Elmo. Oh my god, I think I'm cute. Pose.
Go, we go, go. Fuck with us and then we tweaking, ho. Tweaking, ho. Pull up on that nigga, get the squeezing, ho.
My willy's kinda small, but you didn't have to know that. The stream of clean, cleansed Fiji water flowing out my dick. Hi, my name is Polly, but you didn't even have to know. I be eating peach all day. Call me Super Mario.
Hindsight is 2020. I shouldn't have drank that many. Hindsight is 2020. Stop.
Oh my god, let's take a picture.
Not important.
Look at the sun again. Now back at me. Look at the sun again. Okay, don't look at the sun again. Ow. My willy's kinda small, but you didn't have to know that. I be taking pictures of do the Harlem Shake.
Yeah?
Wait, why am I in boxer? Then you must upload that picture up on Instagram with a caption. #swag, #YOLO, #gangster from the hood, #team single, #it took me 3 years of savings to get these Jordans.
If you fell for this, yeah, is you stupid, fam, believing that YouTube will block me in it? Is you stupid, fam? Pow, pow, in it.
Hold up.
Yes! Team Chanel! And then I asked her out. But guess what she said? She said yes. Become like their best friends. Best friends for life. Oh, Paul, you need to stop the... No, it's not what it looks like, no! It's an addiction!
Man.
I need punani! Punani, Indians love me, call me chicken curry. Bang! Snapback. Bang, bang! Even more snapbacks. Bang, 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 bang! Hey yo, Justin! I'm copying your swag.
Where do we go first?
The bridge! The bridge, Dora! Oh, shut up, mate.
Somebody please tell him where the F is. Twerk sanity.
I can hear black people music. I can tell if he's twerking. My brother has been doing this for days. He calls it twerking.
I stepped on it. No, stepped. You stepped on it, so you hurt your hand.
I know that we can do it!
You can't see your head. You can't see your head. You can't see your head.
What's wrong know the Soldier Boy parts. There are Soldier Boy Part 1, Soldier Boy Part 2, Soldier Boy Part 3, and this video is Soldier Boy description. Now this is a video that tells you like a description that you should see on the Soldier Boy. So make sure you see them from Pop.
See you later, alligator perpetrator, Tyler the Creator. Bang, yeah. See you later, alligator perpetrator, Tyler the Creator.
Until next time.
Peace.
And
Bang.
and
Bye.
peace, whatever.
Alright. Thanks for watching.